Hey guys, Ben here from Velflex. Now this is how you do it series. We've got AS Color here right now. Now guys, this is the AS Color staple tee. This is a favorite of all of our staff here. 180 GSM, nice, lightweight, but really good sort of quality fabric as well, guys, for pressing. We've got our dual Hotronix Fusions pneumatic press, and I'm gonna show you the easiest way to press this using an Ultra Color Max transfers, which is a DTF transfer for you guys out there. Now, easy one, slide it on. Because it's 180 GSM, I'm not gonna worry about a pre-press, guys. I'm pretty comfortable that that's gonna be really nice and easy to press. It's gonna heat up really quickly. Okay, it's not too thick, right? Gonna put it right there, gonna take our transfer. Now we've just got, like I said, Ultra Color Max transfers, guys. Placing it right here, down from the neck, make sure it's nice and lined up. Now, as I said, we're not doing a pre-press, okay guys? So you've got a few creases and things like that, that's totally fine, as long as it's laying flat underneath where you're putting the transfer. From a neck point of view, now if you're using a manual press or anything like that, what you wanna do is you wanna make sure that you get the plate as flat as possible. So we would slide this forward and just take it to there, okay? Now, I always like to place the transfer down with the neck on because I can get it nice and square. I pull the sort of the shirt tight to its seams up here so I get it straight. Then I can pull my transfer on and then just pull the t-shirt forward so that the neck comes off, okay? If you're using pneumatic press, often having these sorts of little bits of raised area like the seams and things on your plate doesn't make as big a difference, okay, with a pneumatic press. Manuals, absolutely can. Guys, now I'm doing 180 degrees, 150 degrees for the press, and then I peel for 8 seconds, peel, and then I'm gonna do a quick 2-3 seconds post press. Pressing down, so we've got 8 seconds right now. Now our press is sitting 153, that's fine, 152, cool. It's gonna move out of the way, cool. Now I'm gonna be able to just give that a quick peel, as simple as that. Okay, it's a hot peel, and we wanna bring this back and just do another quick post press. Now I'm just doing 2 seconds. It's as simple as that, guys. Now, the post press, what are we doing? We're just making sure that it's taking as much of the texture into the transfer as possible. Got to remember the plastic PET that we're printing onto is perfectly flat. Okay, so you're gonna get a perfectly flat finish, but once you've removed this, it allows the transfer to press into the fibers of the shirt, get a little bit more texture on it, and you get just a little bit more of a natural feel. It also makes sure that if anything did lift while you peeled, you got that perfect finish. Guys, that there is your perfect application using the AS Color staple tee. Guys, this is one of the easiest tees to press. We do them all the time. No need for a pre-press. It's just simple application, and then if you're keen for it, do the post-press just for that extra 1% at the end. Cheers, guys.